Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva bulk design to streamline recurring graphics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Canva bulk design, log into your Canva account. Navigate to the brand kits section on the left sidebar. Ensure you have your brand colors, fonts, and logos set up in the brand kit. Next, go to the templates tab in the main menu. Select create a design and choose the type of graphic you need, such as social media posts, flyers, or presentations. Design your initial template using your brand elements. Add placeholders or sample text to represent recurring content. Incorporate smart design elements like grids or frames for easier adjustments later. Once satisfied with your design, click on the More option in the upper right corner. Choose Save as Template from the drop-down menu. Give your template a clear and descriptive name for easy searching. Now, head back to the Templates section and locate your newly created template. Click on the template to open it in the editor. To create multiple designs at once, find the Use Template button. Select it to begin generating your designs based on this template. Input text and images for each individual project in the placeholder areas. Make sure to customize each design while maintaining brand consistency. Once completed, use the Download button to export your designs in the desired format. To easily share your completed designs, consider utilizing Canva's sharing features. Check your designs for any final adjustments before finalizing. By following these steps, you can effectively configure Canva bulk design for streamlining your recurring graphic needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.